This is Activity 4.1 on page 107, Formatting Text in a Worksheet. The files we'll be working with are sales data and also the per product sales data workbook. You have updated and checked the spelling of the worksheet you plan to present at the upcoming meeting. Your supervisor requested that you include all sales data in your presentation, so you have already unhidden the hidden sales data columns. Now you would like to make the worksheet more visually appealing and easier to read for the meeting attendees. You decide to start by making some text formatting changes to the worksheet text. Also, you want to include a link to a document containing supplemental sales data. You plan on emailing a copy of the workbook file to everyone attending the meeting, and you feel the additional information may be helpful. So I'm going to start by opening up my workbook. I'm going to launch Excel. From my landing page, select Open Other Workbooks. Click my Browse button. And I want to navigate to my home drive. We are in Excel Part 1. And this is Lesson 4 that's titled Formatting a Worksheet. And again, the workbook that we'll be opening is titled Sales Data. We're going to select that and click Open. Number 2, change the worksheet font. At the intersection of the row and column headers in the top left corner of the worksheet, we're going to select the Select All button. And this is going to highlight our entire worksheet. Then we're going to go up to our Home tab on the ribbon, and in our Font command group, we're going to select the Font drop-down. The font, not font color. And from the font drop-down, we're going to apply the Arial font. Number 3, format the worksheet title so it stands out from the rest of the text. We're going to select cell A1. And in our font group, this time we're going to select our font color drop-down. And from our standard colors section, we want to select blue. And in our font group, we're also going to bold this text. And from our font size drop-down, we're going to apply a 16 point. Number 4, format the column labels to distinguish them from the cells containing data and increase the font size for the sales rep names. We're going to select the range A4 through L4, so that's employee name all the way through employee ID. We're going to change the font size to 12, and we're also going to bold this text. Next, we're going to select the range A5 through A27. And we're going to change this font size to 12. And it tells us to adjust our column widths as necessary to accommodate the column labels. So you can see my label of employee name is being cut off. So I'm just going to double click on the dividing line between column A and B to auto fit my column width. And also between highest and lowest, and between lowest and commission, and between commission and employee ID. And you can also see the employee ID column heading is overflowing as well. Everything else seems to fit here. So we can move to number 5. Apply the column label formatting to the commission rate, number of employees, and resigned employees cell. I'm going to select cell A4. Go up to my Home tab, Clipboard group, and select my Format Painter. And I'm going to apply this formatting to the range N1 through N3 by clicking and dragging. And we can also double click between column headers N and O to adjust that column width as well. Number 6, add a hyperlink that links to the per product sales data workbook. We're going to select cell Q3, go up to our Insert tab, and in our Links command group, we're going to select our link command. In the Link To section, we want to choose Existing File or Web Page. In the Text to Display text box, we're going to enter "Click here for additional sales data." And then we're going to hit our Screen Tip button. And the text we're going to enter here is "Per product sales data." And click OK. In our current folder list, you can see the Formatting a Worksheet folder is selected. We're going to click on Per Product Sales Data and click OK. So you can see we get our hyperlink in cell Q3, and we want to verify that our newly added hyperlink works. So we're going to hover over. You can see our cursor changes to a pointer finger, and you can click on that and it should launch the Per Product Sales Data workbook for us. All right, once you verified that that opens, you can close out that particular workbook and come back to the Sales Data workbook, where we're going to go up to File, select Save As, save to our current folder, Formatting a Worksheet, and update our name to My Sales Data. Click Save, and you can leave this workbook open for our next activity.